If you've ever looked at an image and thought, "What font is that?" You're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to match fonts from images in Photoshop using the built-in Match Font feature, so you can identify typography quickly and use the same style in your own designs. This is incredibly useful for recreating poster text, matching branding, editing mockups, or simply saving time when a client sends you an image and asks you to match the type exactly. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Photoshop tips and tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Photoshop and load the image that contains the text you want to identify. Once the image is open, zoom in a little if needed so you can clearly see the lettering. Now, from the left toolbar, select the rectangular marquee tool by pressing M on your keyboard. This tool is what you'll use to make a selection around the text you want Photoshop to analyze. With the marquee tool active, click and drag to draw a tight selection box directly around the words or phrase you want to match. Try to keep the selection as close to the text as possible. The cleaner your selection, the better Photoshop can read the shapes of the letters. Avoid including too much background, texture, shadows, or nearby graphics, because that can confuse the font detection. A tightly cropped selection gives the AI engine the best chance of finding an accurate result. Once your text is selected, go up to the top menu bar and click Type, then choose Match Font. Photoshop will now open the Match Font dialog box and begin analyzing the selected area. At this stage, you'll usually see a loading indicator while Photoshop's machine learning engine scans the letter forms, compares shapes, and starts generating font suggestions based on your selection. After the scan is complete, Photoshop will show you a list of matching fonts. These results are usually split into two main categories. The first category is fonts already available on your computer. If you see a font in this list that looks correct, you can click it right away and use it immediately in your own design. The second category is fonts available through Adobe Fonts. These are cloud-based fonts that you can activate directly from inside Photoshop. If you see a perfect match here, just click the cloud or sync icon next to the font name and Photoshop will activate it for you automatically. This is one of the biggest advantages of using Match Font in Photoshop, because you're not just identifying a style, you're often able to use it instantly without leaving the app. That means faster workflow, less guesswork, and much better accuracy when you're trying to recreate a design. If the first set of results doesn't look quite right, don't worry. You can fine-tune the selection while the Match Font panel is still open. Just adjust the blue crop handles around the selected area on your canvas. As you change the boundaries, Photoshop will rescan the image in real time and update the font suggestions. This is a great way to improve accuracy, especially if the letters are partially cut off, distorted, or surrounded by extra elements. Keep refining the selection until you find the closest match. Once you spot the right font, highlight it in the list and click OK. At that point, your type tool is ready to go, and you can start typing with the matching font on your own project. Whether you're creating a new layer, editing a mockup, or rebuilding artwork from reference, this gives you a fast and practical way to match typography from an image. A few quick tips can make this process even better. First, use high-quality images whenever possible, because blurry text is harder for Photoshop to interpret. Second, make sure the font is visible and not heavily stylized by effects like warping, glow, or heavy texture. Third, if the font still isn't perfect, try testing a few similar results side by side, because sometimes the closest visual match is slightly different from the exact original font. And that's how to match fonts from images in Photoshop using the Match Font feature. It's simple, powerful, and a huge time saver for designers, creators, and anyone working with typography. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more Photoshop tutorials, and comment below if you want to see more quick design workflows like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.